What's up guys, welcome back into the YouTube channel. So the fiance is behind the camera and obviously you can see we have a tractor behind me. We're going to be doing a little bit of the, I'll call it the field maintenance work. We're going to be changing the oil, checking the air filters. We're going to be cleaning the inside of this thing out because it hasn't been cleaned, I believe, since last fall. We also have to get a door latch in here ordered. This one decided to break. So we're going to be getting a latch ordered and then just basically going through everything to make sure this thing's field ready. But I figured bring you guys along, kind of get a before and after shot of the inside. Like I said, we're going to be changing oil and everything like that. So might as well bring you along, have a little fun, and do a little maintenance work. Alright guys, so hopefully from those clips you can kind of tell exactly what we did. We got the oil changed, we got the inside of the cab cleaned out a little bit, and then we also got the air filter blown out, and there was a bunch of hay stacked in between the air conditioning condenser and the actual radiator right in this crack. And it blows, if you guys will be able to see, I don't know if you will, but there's a hole right here, right down here that goes straight up in. So when we're baling hay, it's basically getting sucked up in between here. But we got that all cleaned out. I tightened down the air filter again. We need to get a new air filter, but I got to pull the tractor out tomorrow because I have a detail I got to do on my cousin's truck. So I'll be able to back it out. We got the cab pretty much all cleaned up and tidied up in here. It's still a little dusty, but it's way, way better than what it was. Our cab kit here, if you see the blue tape, I sprayed some glue in there and just kind of holding it all tight again. But we got the gauge cluster pretty much all cleaned up, got the windows all wiped down. It just needs a really good bath. And I would like to get some black paint and get like the steps and everything touched up. I thought about even on the actual steps putting some truck bed lining just for the added grip as you're climbing up into the cab. Same thing with the air breather here. I'd love to get it painted so it's not so dingy and ugly looking. But I mean, for the most part, the tractor cleaned up fairly well. Like I said, it just needs a really, really good bath and get it ready for the field. I think we're gonna be looking at some batteries here shortly. I don't know how old these ones are. So there will be a little bit of money there. And then obviously the door latch that I showed you guys. But for the most part, this thing is ready to rock and roll for the hay season. Like I said, oil has been changed. We'll throw a little bit of diesel fuel in it, throw some diesel fuel additive just to get everything cleaned up, like the injectors. Obviously they sit right in here. We'll get those. We might have an injector leak here. I'll probably have to check. I don't know if one of the O-rings is blown out of it or whatever, or if just the return line is bleeding off. But we'll get that taken care of for the most part. Like I said, everything should be ready to go. But that's gonna do it, guys. Remember, learning as I do, doing I love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.